But yeah, I'm gonna let Amir take it away now with some cool psychedelic vibes in the background. Oh, just kidding, not an ad.
Look for a while at the child, the cat sunflower brown, walking jingle in the midnight sun. Copper Bodhi, drip a silver kimono like a crazy quilt star gown through a dream night wind. Crazy cat peeking through a lace bandana like a one-eyed Cheshire like a diamond-eyed jack. A leaf of all colors plays a golden string fiddle to a wound I wanna fall over my back. Comic book colors on a violent river, crying Leonardo words from out the silk trombone. I rang a silent bell beneath a shower of pearls in the eagle wing palace of the Queen Chinese.
Thank you.